How to disable friend suggestions on Facebook. When you're on the Facebook website, go over to the upper right hand side and click on the Account button, and then click on Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. Over on the left hand side menu, click on Notifications, and then scroll down to People you may know and click on the toggle button. If you want to stop all suggestions of friends on Facebook, then on the Allow Notifications on Facebook, you can toggle that to off. And once you do that, as you can see, the other options that were there do disappear. But if you want to customize the notifications, then toggle it back on, and you can decide which notifications you're happy to have, whether it's push, email or SMS. And I'm just going to toggle it off. With this toggled off, Facebook will no longer make suggestions of other accounts that you could add as friends. If you want to add friends on Facebook, then you will need to search for them manually and add them manually. And that's how to disable friend suggestions on Facebook. Thanks for watching and see you next time.